Do you want to ask your friend for a loan, but have that little voice in your head that keeps pointing out all of your anxieties? Well, Pigeon Loans can help you with that. Pigeon Loans is a platform that makes the process of creating and maintaining loans between friends and family a whole lot easier. All you have to do is invite the person you want to start a loan with, answer a few questions like the amount of money you'd like to transfer, the term length of the loan, and whether or not you want to include an interest rate. When you have formed a loan that matches your specific needs, we will notify your friend or family member about your proposal and give you both the space to review the term of the loan. Once you have both accepted the loan, you can sit back and relax. We create a legally binding contract for you to sign. We have a payment platform to facilitate your monthly payments. We keep a record of all of your loans and transactions, and we make sure that everyone is on the same page at all times. Oh, and we should also mention, using our multiple payment platforms, we can operate in over 30 different countries. So just tell that little voice in your head to quiet down. Let Pigeon Loans ease all of your worries, because we just want you to focus on the things that make you happy.